I've been working overtime, vacation is overdue. Swimming through them city streets, man, my mind is so polluted. Take me to that ocean view. Take me to that ocean view. I've been working overtime, vacation is overdue. Swimming through the city streets, man, my mind is so polluted. Take me to that ocean view. Take me to that ocean view. Be high in the oceans when I'm feeling most alive. I set aside all of my troubles, then they ride out with the tide. High in the oceans when I'm feeling most alive. I set aside all of my troubles, then they ride out with the tide. I've been working overtime, vacation is overdue. Swimming through them city streets, man, my mind is so polluted. Take me to that ocean view. Take me to that ocean view.
Yeah, tall socks and some Converse. Blue Adidas pants with the stripe on the side, yeah. They gon' say get a job first, and then you settle down, nice wife and some kids. But I'm trying to do a big Maserati for my mom's. Hawaii for the week, I make some waves on the palms. Airplane mode, no text, no calls. Create all week, no stress at all. Senior year at college, catch me making beats in class. Almost flunked straight out of English. I was late to the exam. I just need the air that's freshest, homie, I don't give a damn. Out in Malibu, I catch the winds on private land, yeah. Be high in the oceans when I'm feeling most alive. I set aside all of my troubles, then they ride out with the tide. High in the oceans when I'm feeling most alive. I set aside all of my troubles, then they ride out with the tide.
Lift got my heart on limbo, 80 miles an hour with my head hanging out the window. What you want? I want that MJ Space Jam whip, yep, stretch that limo. Chase the moon to flirt with the stars. I swim through typhoons just to get to shore. Man, this goes down too loud, but I'm feeling fine as long as I'm be high in the oceans when I'm feeling most alive. I set aside all of my troubles, then they ride out with the tide. Oceans when I'm feeling most alive. I set aside all of my troubles, then they ride out with the tide. I've been working overtime, vacation is overdue. Swimming through them city streets, man, my mind is so polluted. Take me to that ocean view. Take me to that ocean view.
Hey, little darling, I'm gonna take you out of the darkness. I wanna walk with you in the light, hold your head high. Hey, little darling, we better go before it's too late. Sneak out the window and down the fire escape. Hold my hand tight, 'cause we're just run, run, runaways. Run, run, renegades. Run, run to get away. And we just run, run because we ain't giving it up. How to get away. Always a haunted place. Oh, when you and another ghost. How I wanna take you home. But we're just run, run, run
Yeah, we didn't think it would clear up that fast, but it did, so we probably should have waited.
There was like literally 4 people waiting in line, and we were just like, oh, we don't know how long, you know, people are going to take on the hike, so we don't want to chance it.
We saw when you guys started walking up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we got the spot when you guys got here, so.
That's good. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, when you and I are the ghosts, how I wanna take you home, but we just run, run, runaways, run, run, renegades, nowhere couldn't stay.
It looks so cold.
Don't ask me what you know is true. Don't have to tell you I love your precious heart. I was standing and you were there. 2 worlds collided and they could never, ever tear us apart. We could live
Yeah, it's very clear.
for 1,000 years, and if I hurt you,
Good one.
I'd make wine from your tears. I told